Hello, anybody who may be watching. We're trying to figure out what I am asking about, and thing is, I got Mint working on a dual boot system, but the networking side of it doesn't work. I had it working with the driver for a little bit for networking. It's sketchy, but now it doesn't even show up on there. Because I tried to uninstall it and use NDIS wrapper instead, and the NDIS wrapper doesn't seem like it wants to work. And I even used the GUI installer for it. I managed to acquire that before I got rid of the flaky driver. But now I don't seem to have any drivers, so if I go under admin, go all the way down here, Windows wireless drivers, and my password. And see, it shows up because I got the driver installed. And it is a Trendnet version of the, what is it, the RTL 8190. But this is it. This is the one that came with it. And install it. See, it's already installed. So the driver is installed. Close that. And if I run, what is it here? Not super familiar with all this stuff yet. That's probably one of the big things that's throwing me, is I just don't know all the terminal commands. There's like so much stuff. If you don't know it, it's a real pain in the butt. So I list the PCI stuff. Alright. If you look here, it says right here, 037 network, right there. It's showing that I have a wireless adapter here. So it's showing up on the LSPCI, and I guess the next one is NM tool, and it says blah 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 type drivers. It says wired state disconnected, but I guess it's only showing my wired connection, which I'm not using. I don't have wired at this location. Just it's basically the network's on the other side of the house where it goes to the cable box or whatever. It's not going to happen here. And yeah, I guess that's just for the Ethernet. That's not the. It's not seeing the wireless here. So now I go LS HW, which I guess is list hardware. I don't have all these memorized. I have them written down on a scratch pad, so that's why it's, yeah. And it says super user. Okay, well, whatever. And let's see, it's showing up under here. And it's a Realtek, but this is Trendnet. This is the brand, but Realtek is, I guess, what it's actually running on this chipset. So, and it's, and that's the 8190 see right here. The problem is I can't get it to run right now, and I'm trying to figure out what to do here. So I'm going to see if I can get this copied over to my XP partition, because that actually works. And I'll upload it to the net, see what people say. I don't know what else I can do to get this working. I don't have money to throw at stuff right now. Like, if I was making money, yeah, I would just buy the USB card and say screw it. But I got like a perfectly fine wireless that works fine under XP, so I don't understand why it should work like this. Other than that, the drivers aren't set. And I did Mint on 2 other computers and it worked right from the start. This is the only one it did. I guess they don't like Realtek. Whoever develops for this doesn't do it or whatever. Or does it half-ass. Or maybe it's Realtek just doesn't care. I don't know. Realtek, Trendnet, whoever, they didn't do whatever. But trying to find all the stuff for Realtek, it's a pain right now. So. Well, I'll sign off now and try to get this uploaded and see how that works.